Welcome back. We are going to move on to something called the switch statement now. And this is kind of similar to the if statements we did before. It allows you to create different paths in your code. But this time, using this method, we don't have to use the greater than, equal than, those relational expressions that we talked about before. All right, so this way is going to be a good way if you have distinct numbers or strings that you're searching for, and based on those distinct numbers or strings you're going to do a certain action. So let's say you need a user to input a certain color of car, for instance. So they're going through shopping for a car and they want to pick a red car, and a red car costs $500 more than the base price, and then if they picked blue, the blue color would be $100 more than the base price, something like that. So you have a definitive action that goes with each different choice. Okay, so that's what this is kind of going to be a good thing for. So let's just go over the general form, and then we're going to go right to the examples because it'll be easier that way. So the general form that we're going to have is we're going to have the word switch, and then we're going to have a variable name. Okay, so this variable name, this is going to be the variable that you're going to be testing. All right, so like I was talking about color, so we could have the variable name color. All right, so just think here we're testing color, and then underneath here you're going to have the word case, and then you will have something, I just call it case underscore exp1. All right, so basically what you're going to do is you would test your variable. So let's go back to color. So if we were looking at colors, we would test our color to this option. So here we would put, say, red. Okay, and then if the color was actually red, we're going to do action 1. All right, if it's not red, so if this here doesn't match what's in the variable, then we're going to go down to the next case. And then this one will have another choice. All right, so let's say it's blue if we're still talking about colors. So if color is blue, these two match, then we're going to do action 2. So it just keeps on going, as many cases as you need, until we get down to the end, and then we're going to have the word otherwise. All right, so otherwise we're going to do action N. All right, and then we have the end statement. So that's kind of how it's set up. It's really simple to use once you get used to it. So I think after we go over the examples in the next video, you'll see how it works. And this is actually easier to use sometimes than the if statements, just because you don't have to worry about doing the logic with the greater than, equal than, and all that stuff. So anyways, so let's stop there. I know this is a short video, but we'll stop there, and then we'll go to the next video and do a couple of examples.